Well, it was lovely to see you all, but I'd better be going too. Bye.
Come on, children. Let's wave Mr. Potato goodbye.
Oh, dear. Mr. Potato's car won't start. I cannot get out. Mr. Potato is stuck. Help! Let me out.
What shall we do?
Help!
Call for Super Potato!
Let me out.
Super Potato! Super
I think he might be too busy to come.
Super
No,
Potato!
really, I do not think that will work this time.
No, Madam Gazelle, you just need to shout out with us.
Okay. Help us, Super Potato. There, it didn't work. Now I think we
What's that in the sky? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a potato.
By the power of vegetables, I am here!
Hooray!
Super Potato has come to the rescue.